So today I will be doing coniferous evergreens, specifically Pinus Strobus and Picea Pungens. Both of these super green and they're gonna keep you big and strong. Oh dear. Hey, don't judge me, it's bulking season, okay? Yeah, like there's a lot of different good things that come from this herb specifically, or actually these are two different herbs, so that's probably where I should start. This is white pine, and one of the major, two of the major distinctions for that is that they have a white stripe on them, hence the name, on the actual leaves. Technically you should call them pine straws. The other distinction is that, which is important because it'll help you identify, is that it has anywhere from 2 to 5 straws per bunch. So the actual number that's supposed to come in each bunch is 5, but it has 2 to 5. So if it ever has 1 or if it ever has 7, it is not a white pine, and you shouldn't try ingesting it unless you are familiar with what pine it is and know that it is good for ingestion. Specifically, one to avoid would be ponderosa if you're pregnant, but also they say in general, but also specifically if you're pregnant, it may cause complications with your pregnancy. Another thing that you should avoid are yew trees. So some good things that come from pines are that they're antiseptic, which is good for internal recovery support. It helps with phlegm, removal of phlegm from your body. Specifically, it helps remove it from your lungs, which is good to know. For the external part of your body, and I'm still talking about white pines right now, it is good for pulling out debris and different items within your skin that are either lodged in your skin or that are clogging your skin. Vitamin A and vitamin C are very potent within these leaves. They are anti-inflammatory and they're mild diuretics, meaning that it's good for cleaning out your kidneys, and if you do have any types of formations happening, it will help clear those out. Picea pungens, also known as spruce. Alright, parts that you can actually enjoy from these coniferous trees, which means that they have cones on them, or pine cones, are the cones, the tips, and the actual leaves themselves. Actually, you can actually literally eat the internal bark lining of the white pine tree as well. Like you can open it up, strip out the white part, dry it, and dust it, and now you've got flour. So that's pretty impressive. When it comes to spruce trees specifically, they have something called spruce tips, which spruce tips are the young, as well with other types of edible coniferous trees, but spruce tips are the young tree, like the young buds, which makes them still be soft and easier to eat and enjoy. So at that point you can chop them up and add sugar and put it on top of your cake, or like whatever else you'd like to do for the holidays. That's all I wanted to speak on today on pines. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more vids.